Hello viewers, this is Gaston from the Healthcare Engineering team. As I have explained in the first video of branches in Biomedical Engineering, this is the part 2 of it. I'm going to talk about the rest of the specializations in Biomedical Engineering. I hope you got some ideas from the first part. In this part, you can get some other ideas about the specializations in Biomedical Engineering. We hope that our viewers can give their maximum support by subscribe, share, like, comment our videos. I request the viewers to share this channel with your healthcare friends so that we can get the supports from the viewers. Please encourage us by subscribing, share, comment and like our videos. So it would be a huge encouragement to our healthcare engineering team, and we promise that we will bring so many concepts like this in future to educate you guys. Thank you. Let's watch the video. Next most common biomedical engineering specialization is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering recombines DNA technology, genetic modification or manipulation, and gene splicing are terms that apply to the direct manipulation of an organ's genes. Unlike traditional breeding, an indirect method of genetic manipulation, genetic engineering utilizes modern tools such as molecular cloning and transformation to directly alter the structure and characteristics of target genes. Genetic engineering techniques have found success in numerous applications. Some examples include the improvement of crop technology, the manufacture of synthetic human insulin through the use of modified bacteria, the manufacture of erythropoietin in hamster ovary cells, and the production of new types of experimental mice such as oncomouses, known as cancer mouses, for research. Next specialization is neural engineering. It is also known as neuroengineering. It is a discipline that uses engineering techniques to understand, repair, replace or enhance neural systems. Neural engineering focuses on the interaction between the body's nervous system and any artificial medical devices. Neural engineers are uniquely qualified to solve design problems at the interface of living neural tissues and non-living constructs. Next one is clinical engineering. This is a branch of biomedical engineering dealing with the actual implantation of medical equipment and technologies in hospitals or other clinical settings. Clinical engineers work alongside physicians, nurses and other medical professionals to help them implement and operate the technologies. Major roles of clinical engineers include training and supervising biomedical equipment technicians, selecting technological product or services, and logistically managing their implementation, working with governmental regulators on inspections or audits, and serving as technological consultant for other hospital staffs like physicians, administrators or IT workers. Clinical engineers also advise and collaborate with the medical device producers regarding prospective design improvements based on clinical experiences, as well as monitor the progression of the state of the art so as to redirect procurement patterns accordingly. Next specialization is Rehabilitation Engineering. It is the systematic application of engineering sciences to design, develop, adapt, test, evaluate, apply and distribute technological solutions to problems confronted by individuals with disabilities. Functional areas addressed through rehabilitation engineering may include mobility, communications, hearing, vision and cognition, and activities associated with employment, independent living, education and integration into the community. The primary focus of these engineers is to design and develop prosthetics, so that people can regain normal function in damaged body parts. The rehabilitation process for people with disabilities often entails the design of assistive devices such as walking aids intended to promote inclusion of their users into the mainstream of society, commerce and recreation. The other specialization is Orthopedic Bioengineering. Bones, muscles, joints and ligaments are often damaged or destroyed by accidents or disease. Orthopedic bioengineers developed products, mainly implants that allow better movements and improved functioning. The implants may work in conjunction with the surrounding tissues, or they may completely replace certain bones, muscles, joints or ligaments. This specialty offers people a better quality of life as their bodies work better and can regain lost function. Next specialization is System Physiology. This specialty is more theoretical than some others, using engineering principles and tools to better understand how different living organisms function. These principles can then be applied to other areas of biomedical engineering to help in product development and testing. The last specialty is medical imaging. It is the technique and process of creating visual representation of the interior of a body for clinical analysis and medical intervention, as well as visual representation of the function of some organs or tissues. Medical imaging seeks to reveal internal structures hidden by the skin and bones, as well as to diagnose and treat diseases. Medical imaging also establishes a database of normal anatomy and physiology to make it possible to identify abnormalities. Although imaging of removed organs and tissues can be performed for medical reasons, such procedures are usually considered parts of pathology instead of medical imaging. As a discipline and in its widest sense, it is part of biomedical imaging and incorporates radiology, which uses the imaging technologies of X-ray radiography, magnetic resonance imaging, ultrasound, endoscopy, PET scan and many more. So these are the major specialties under biomedical engineering. We hope that the viewers got the idea from our explanation. Therefore, you can specialize yourself in any one of these fields to pursue your career. Lastly, we would like to request you all to subscribe our YouTube channel Healthcare Engineering to show your support to our channel. We are very active in these above mentioned social media platforms. Please follow us and share your thoughts with us. All the links for these social media platforms are given below in the description. If you would like to reach us to get our supports, please email us to the shown email address here. Kindly visit our blog to know more on these concepts. In future, we will publish so many informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.